Hey Lemonheads, welcome to a new video. Today, we are going to explore the best free AI image generators. So let's dive in. The first tool we are going to use is the image generator from Bing Chat, the Bing Image Creator. To access it, we have to go open Microsoft Edge, then click on the search bar, and then click Bing Chat. Now here you can create your images by giving it prompts like, please create a castle in a beautiful landscape in Italy, and the image will be generated. It will provide you with 2 images, and next to generating the image, it also answers with a text to it. It is free to use and it can create unlimited images. I like the images. Let's try another. Okay, those images look really cool. A negative point I found is that when you, for example, ask for, please create Elon Musk beating Mark Zuckerberg, it won't generate the image because that is sensitive content. Now let's go to the second generator I want to show you. It is called DALL-E and is made by OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. To use this image generator, go to the DALL-E website. By the way, all the links to the generators are in the video description. You can log in with the same account as your ChatGPT account. Now when you're on the website, click DALL-E, and now you can type in your image prompt, something like this. And now it will be generated. It will generate 4 different images. Now let's try other prompts. And now let's try the Elon Musk versus Mark Zuckerberg prompt. Oh no, that's sad. DALL-E also will not generate an image of Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg in the boxing ring. Oh, and by the way, on DALL-E you get 15 credits per month for free. I would say enough for about 70 to 90 images. Now let's go to the next image generator. It is called Dream Studio. Now, let's head over to the website. Accept the terms of service and let's go. On the left-hand side, you can write your prompt. On top of that, you can choose your style. They have styles from photographic to fantasy art, and from cinematic to even origami. Also under the prompt box, you can select the negative prompt. Here you can type in things you do not want to have in your image. Now click Dream. Oops. Oh, okay. Before we can generate an image, we have to sign up. Just connect your Google account and you are ready to go. Now fill in the prompt again and click Dream. Look at that! Isn't that majestic? I like them so much, I'm going to download them. Let's generate some more. Oh, and here is the edit function. I tried it out, and I've got to tell you, I do not get it. But anyways, through all that generating, all my credits are almost gone. You can either buy credits or wait another day and get 25 credits again. Let me show you the 4th image generator. This one only works on mobile. So let's take out our mobile phone and go to the App Store. The app we are looking for is called Wombo Dream. Download the app. And now open it. Now click, try it out. Look above here, you can enter a prompt, and when we look down, we can choose different styles. I mean, they have plenty of styles, look at that. Now enter the prompt and press Create. I tried my Elon versus Mark prompt again. That is amazing, I like it. Now you also can generate some kind of short image from it by clicking on View Generation Video. Now we are on the home page. Here you can check out the many generations other people made and also what prompt they used. Now let's go back to our PCs and go to the next image generator. This one is called Cryon. Here you can create unlimited images for free and without registration. The only thing they want you to do is to disable the ad blocker. Just like on other generators, we can enter our prompt in the text box. Next, you can choose between 3 styles and then hit the button that says Draw. Now it will take a minute. And here it is, it generated 9 images for free. That's sick. Let's try another one. And now let's try the Elon versus Mark one. Okay, nice. Now one last generation. For it being totally free and unlimited, it is pretty cool. Let's try the next image generator. This one is called Jasper Art. Here you have to register first. The Google sign up did not really work, so I signed up with my email. Okay, now I realize this one doesn't really fit in the video. Yes, you can try it for free, but you have to subscribe first with U credit card. So let's say bye to Jasper Art and go to the next one. The next one I'm excited about. It is called Night Cafe. You get 5 credits per day and you can even earn credits by sharing you images and stuff like that. Let's go to the website. Type in an image prompt and select a style and click Create. Oh, okay. Now we first have to sign up. Let's do that by using our Google account. Done. And now look at that. Here is our image of Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg fighting in a boxing match. Here, look. This is what I talked about earlier. Here, you can earn extra credits. Now let's go to the left-hand side and click on Model. Here you can choose different image model generators. I am choosing the SDXL 1.0. It has 10 free image generations. Let's try it out. And click Create. Wow, cool. And now let's change the prompt and change the image style. Here are many different styles to choose from. Let's choose Epic. Okay, that truly looks epic. Let's generate some more. Now let us go to the next generator. This one is called Art Breeder. It is completely free to use. They have different tools, like the Mixer, the Collager, the Splicer, and the Outpainter. If you ask me, it is all a bit confusing, but let's find out more. Let's try the Mixer. Now, here you can up to 8 images and prompts. Let's upload Elon Musk and blend it with Shrek. Okay, nice. Now let's do some more. Okay, now we have to sign up to continue. Let's connect with our Google account and we are ready to go. Well, it's cool. Next, I tried the splicer, and to be honest, I did not understand it. So, then I went to the collager. This one is really cool. So, just go to the collager and then draw some random stuff. Now enter a prompt and then click render. Wow, isn't that amazing? Let's go to the next image generator. This one is called Starry AI. Now go to the website and connect it with your Google account. Next, click the plus button and then select one out of the 4 AI models. Next, on the left-hand side, enter your prompt. Underneath that, you can also enter what you do not want to be included in the image. And underneath that, you can select a different style. The Select Generate. I again tried the Elon versus Mark prompt. Let me tell you, the rendering was very, very slow. Like 10 minutes. But here it is, it gave us 4 different images. This one looks really realistic. You've got 5 credits per day and 1 generation costs 2 credits. So let's go to the next generator. This one is called Leonardo AI. Go on the website and click Create an Account. Next, what I did was, I just clicked I'm whitelisted and then just connect with your Google account. Pick a username and set up your account. This website offers 150 free image generations per day. Here you can see what other people created. Now we have to choose a model. Next, there are many options on the left-hand side, and in the middle there we can put our prompt. Let's try some prompt and click Generate. Wow, the rendering is very fast and it looks very nice. You can also try different styles. Let's go to the last image generator I want to show you. That one is called CART.ai. I already made a full video about it, about how amazing it is. Let's quickly review it so you have an idea what it is. Here are some images other people already created on the website. The image generation is completely free, and you can create unlimited images. After having logged in, click the big blue Generate button. Now here you can type in your prompt and it will generate the image for you. Now let's try the Elon versus Mark prompt. Wow, okay, it made it even more epic. On the left-hand side, you have also different options where you can select the quality and how many images it should generate per prompt. There are many, and I really mean many, other cool tools you can try out here. For example, the background remover and the sketch to image function. If you are interested, check out my CART video here. I hope you enjoyed the journey and now you yourself can go out and explore these amazing free AI generators. Have a lot of fun. Join the AI revolution and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.